Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curry vegetable rice updated. Start by gathering rice, spices, broth, and vegetables and measure ingredients precisely. Rinse 2 cups of rice until water runs clear, then chop onions, carrots, bell pepper, and green beans into bite-sized pieces. Toast spices briefly in oil for depth of flavor, then sauté vegetables until slightly softened. Add rice and liquid, bring to a simmer, measure spices carefully and taste as you go to avoid overpowering the dish. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds until they pop, then stir in chopped onion and cook until translucent. Add garlic, ginger, and your ground spice mix, cooking briefly to bloom the aromas. Toss in chopped vegetables, cook until they begin to soften, then proceed to add rice and liquid for simmering. Keep heat low and avoid stirring once the pot is covered to prevent gummy rice. Check seasoning mid-cook and adjust with salt or a splash of lemon juice for brightness. If the rice is slightly firm at the end, add a few tablespoons of hot water, cover, and steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Finish with a drizzle of oil or ghee and garnish with cilantro or toasted nuts for texture and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.